Hey y'all, good morning, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. I'm Rachel and welcome back to Real Estate with Rachel. Today we're going to go over the do's and don'ts while purchasing a home. Okay, so first, please do not apply for any new credit cards or take out a loan. I know it may be tempting, you want to buy new furniture to redecorate your brand new home, but please don't make any big purchases like that until after you close and have the keys in your hand. Then you can buy all the furniture you want, do whatever you want, but please don't do that until after you have the keys in your hand. Alright, next. Please don't make any cash deposits in your account over $299. Any large cash deposits will have to be sourced if they've been made within 90 days. Basically, you have to show where that money came from. So please don't deposit more than $299 of cash into your bank account, because it will have to be sourced and you have to show exactly where each dollar came from. Next, please don't engage in any real estate activity with another agent. Please don't have them showing you other homes. Don't have them writing offers for you. Please only work with the agent that you hire. Hopefully that's me. Next, do not max out your credit cards. You want to make sure that the balance stays within 1 to 30% of your credit limit. Please do not consolidate debt to 1 or 2 cards. And also don't increase your credit limit while in the process of purchasing a home. Alright, so now that we've gone over what you shouldn't do, let's go over what you should do during the home buying process. Remain focused and confident during this process. I know it can be a lot of paperwork that the lender is asking you to submit. I advise that you get a checklist and check off each item that they've asked for to make sure you stay on top of everything that needs to be done. Make sure you communicate all your sources of income to your loan officer. No matter how big or small these amounts are, your loan officer needs to know. Make sure you keep all your existing credit card accounts open. Please keep your employment within the same company or field of work. If you do have to change jobs, please consult your loan officer first. The next thing you want to do is pay off any collections, tax liens, or judgments that have been reported within this past year. But before you pay them off, consult with your loan officer. Please make sure that you can provide documentation for any satisfied judgments or paid tax liens. Please make sure you stay current on payments for all your monthly obligations. Please don't stop paying your rent or your car payment because you're about to buy a new home. Please make sure everything is paid on time. Please call your loan officer and your agent before you make any financial decisions. Please call them before you do anything. Please, please. This has ruined so many deals. Please do not go and buy a car before you get the keys to your new home. Please don't go out and buy $15,000-$20,000 worth of furniture on credit before you get the keys. Please don't do anything new before you get your keys. Keep it as everything was when you first got that pre-approval letter. Also, if you're receiving a gift of money, please let the person know that's giving you the money that they also have to provide their bank statements. The loan officer is going to want to see exactly where that money came from in their account as well as in your account. The moral of the story is call your loan officer before you do anything with money. Anything that can change you being approved, please call the loan officer first. If you are unsure, please call them first. Don't just act and then not be able to get your home because you messed up something. Always ask questions first. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. I hope you all learned something. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at upgraderealtor@gmail.com. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.